we are out here and we are starting to look for stuff. We just got in our first neighborhood. We're gonna do a quick sweep through here because we don't normally find stuff anyway, so not a whole lot. I mean, once in a while, but I don't know. We're just gonna do a quick sweep. And yes, I'm paying attention to the road and looking for scrap while I'm talking to y'all. So, anywho, I don't know, some guy's hanging on the back of a pickup truck. I don't know what he's doing. Weird. Anyway, you probably noticed my voice is deeper than normal because I have something going on. I don't know. Ever since COVID, it just doesn't let loose. It doesn't go away. Not totally, so I don't know. We're gonna deal with it. And I forgot my cough drops, so you might catch me coughing. I don't know. I'm a mess this morning, I guess. But we're out here. I asked Papa what he thought I should do, and he thought I should come out, so here I am, spending my time with my favorite peoples. Not expecting much though. Not at all. Oh, nope, I thought I just found something, but it's a thing to put your trash in. And there's a cop in front of me. I'm gonna stop for a minute, okay? All right, Minnie, you gonna watch truck for us? You gonna watch truck? You want me to put your blankie on you before I go so you can watch truck without freezing? How's that? Is that good? Is that good? Okay. All right, let's go see what's in this pile. I think I've seen a trash can. Anyway, that bit with the cop. He had stopped in front of me. Oh, it isn't a trash can. What is that? I don't know what that is. Not a child's toy. It's go-go something. Fetch machine. Cool. Probably broke. That's why it's in the trash. Anyway, I thought it was a trash can, but it's not. I forgot to tape my truck too. Oh well. I'm a mess. Anyway, the cop stopped, and I thought, oh, he stopped because there was a dog. I went to go around him, and there's this dog laying in the road. And oh no, the dog got hit by a car. That's why he stopped. It was laying like it was hurt. So I carefully went around. Anyway, yeah, he sat there and sat there and sat there, and I went around the corner, and I came up here, and then he finally came past. So I don't know. I don't know. He probably made note of the dog. I couldn't tell you. Anyway, we don't got nothing yet. We're working on it. We'll see what we can do. All right, that way. Found some stuff. It's not a lot. We found some stuff. Finally, we are in our second neighborhood. There's nothing out today, y'all. We'll just be driving for fun. Yep, driving for fun. Oh boy, that's down in there. We'll figure this out. Hold on. Get that underneath there. That's one of those scrap traps. There we go. There's something here. A little bit. I don't know what that is. Part of a chair, I don't know. Alright. Let me turn around. see if we can find some more, because I don't think we can get anything on this street up here. All right, we're gonna keep looking. So I'm sitting here looking at this pile, debating if I want to mess with it. Ugh, it looks like a tough one. Well, I think I see a piece of metal on top, so I noticed on my last video that I was moving my head quite fast again, and so I'm going to try to slow it down today. Yeah, there's a little bit of metal on here. I hear the trash guy too, I think. I think I hear the trash man. I think I do, I think I do. Oh, these are little shelves. Those might be keep and sell. Maybe. But this is going to the back. For sure. Need go there. And you get underneath this thing. That was kind of ucky. Yeah, that I'm not gonna mess with. Not at all. Alright. Sorry about the wind, y'all. I forgot my wind muff thingy. So we're gonna have to deal with it. Anyway, let's keep looking that way. Well, there's this. I think somehow it collapses, maybe. I'm not sure. Does it? Maybe not. I mean, it's metal if nothing else. I don't know. It's pretty dirty, y'all. And just touching it, I worry about, what is it dogs get? I don't want Minnie to get it, you know? Or our other pets. I don't know. Would have you taken that? See, I'm tempted to take it just because I'm not finding anything. But I don't know. I don't want to take things just because I'm tempted. You know what I mean? I just don't. What is it dogs get? Not really. How well? That's neither here nor there. I didn't take it, so we'll keep looking. There's one thing back, or a couple things back there I should have looked at maybe. But I was busy talking with y'all, and it didn't hit my head till we were past it. So maybe, I don't know what that was. Just laying there. Looked plastic though. There's the old ambulance again. Alright, we're gonna keep looking. We're not giving up. You know us. We keep going and going and going. Just found some stuff. Yeah, we did. We found some stuff. I'll take it. Should check and see if it's aluminum. Kind of feels like it to me. Look at that. It does not magnetize to anything. I'll have to get clean aluminum though. I would have to strip all the plastic off of there. And that's not easy to do. Because there's plastic there, there's plastic there, plastic on the ends. I don't see any screw holes for most of it, so it would be difficult. And we can't forget the chairs. There's two of them. I thought there was one, but there's two. Well, this ended up being a good stop. I'm gonna put these together. I'm gonna put this stuff on top. And it can sit right there. There we go, y'all. Thank you. Thank you very much. You made my day. Alright. That might be the most we find all day here. Hope not, but we'll see. Onward. We got us a thing. A weight bench, it looks like. They got them a new one. All right, let's go open the back of the truck first. Thought those were poles, but they're wood. So, let's see. We're gonna move you over here. Put the weight bench in first, I think. Nope, we don't want you with. It's in the bags. Could be some stuff. We'll have to check it. This white bench ain't so bad. It looks pretty good. Let's see. Where can that go now? It's supposed to be hooked somewhere. Oh well. We're gonna flip this over. Try not to scratch up the top of it, or the seat of it. Get it laid down in here this way. Leave that right there so it stays with it. And then these slide on in with it, I think. Yeah, like that. Alright, we're gonna leave that down for a second. So I want to check this bag. That one just seems like boxes and stuff. This one might actually have something in it. It does. Those electronics. Let's take electronics. Oh boy, this thing's heavy. Is that battery backup maybe? We'll look at it on the truck. A sound receiver. An AV receiver. That's what it is. Our daughter uses one of those. Truthfully, I don't even know what it does exactly. There's one more thing in here. Paper shredder. That's what it is, I think. Well, there might be something else too. Printer? Is that what you are? That's a printer. What are you? Some plastic wrap. There was a day not too long ago I thought having some plastic wrap would be nice. And look, now I got some. All right. One more look. And then I'll tie it up. No, nothing else. Might as well stick this bag in there. Now to tie it. Always make sure you don't leave a mess. Oh, look, a chain laying right there. Bonus. Alrighty then. Let's go. Oh, I smacked you on the head. I am so sorry. Y'all okay? Good. Oh, a couple of you got headaches. I'm sorry. Neighbor came out. Good thing he didn't catch me digging. Might have been a confrontation. A confrontation. All right, we're going that way. I don't know if y'all are angled right. We're gonna hope we are. We're gonna check this TV out a minute. I don't think we'll take it, but it don't hurt to check. There's no cord on it. Does it work? It lights up, but it doesn't do anything?
No, it lights up, it's got a light.
A light? Oh, a line. Yeah, those are always fun. Those are never good. All right, thanks. I was talking too quiet. I couldn't understand him. I think I need hearing aids like Papa. Honestly, he might have been talking just fine. Hate when that happens. Or I don't understand them and they look at me like I'm an idiot, because I am. I is an idiot. I admit it. Oh, we're just ahead of the trash man. Just ahead of him. So if we find something, we gotta hurry so we don't get in his way. All right, that way, y'all. We have a little something. A little CD stand. Anything in the trash? Nope. Boy, this has more weight than it looks like it should have. Put the good stuff on this side, maybe. All right. Not much in there, but we're keeping on. We have a couple more neighborhoods. I think this is our fourth one, though. So yeah, that tells you a little something. Might be our fifth. I don't know. I lost track. Oh, is that something? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? I can't tell. No. Yeah, no. It's one of those folding hampers. I should probably grab it because they do sell. But like I've told y'all, I got so much stuff right now that I gotta be careful what I grab. So I'm trying to be good today. Oh, trash man's been down here. Oh boy, what do we do? Well, there's something I wanted to see. I think. Has he been down this one? No, he hasn't. So down we go. Down this way. Alrighty. I'll let you know if I find anything. Oh, we've already been here. Jeepers. Good one. Time to turn around. Me to get a cord? If it's still on. Okay, let's go get it. I can't, yep, it's still there. Couldn't tell for a minute. I just realized this morning I gotta get Ellie Mae in for an oil change. Alright. Snip. Check the can. Nothing. Alright. Off we go with our little treasure. We have enough wire to bring in again with everything I've been picking up lately, so that's awesome. All right, we're gonna keep looking. There's some little dogs behind us. That way. Did you hear me? That way. Pulled up hamper, so I figured may as well stop and look. Looks like there might have been some other stuff, but they put gross stuff on it. There's a bag of stuff. Good thing I stopped. This thing's not any good, but look at this. A shredder. A fan. Anything else? What are you? Paper. Little rope. Well, that's it. That's plastic in there. I don't know, they put yucky stuff on top of clothes and whatnot, so not sure I want to deal with that. Oh, to go is on that fan. All right, let's keep going. Onward. I'm gonna check this bin out over here. See if it's any good. Nope. Little tiny piece of metal though. Used to be Grover once upon a time. Once upon a time, it was Grover. Whole Grover got beat up. Let's see, best way to do this. Like that probably. Alright. I was hoping on the bin, because I need them. I got my card out to somebody else, a couple other people over the week here, because we are on a Friday right now. No. Yeah. We're on a Friday. It was a yard sale. It was Wednesday and Thursday. And it was fun. I didn't buy a whole lot. I spent a whole $7 between the 2 days. But yeah, it was fun. And the one person there is doing a huge clean out. A huge clean out. So I gave her my card, and the guy that was there, that he was emptying his garage out, he asked for a card too, so hopefully that'll come to something, because especially the lady, because that, like I said, she's told me she was doing a huge clean out. Huge. I think I did that whole neighborhood now, so on to the next. Let you know if I find anything, of course. Well, I think I found something. A scooter maybe. Maybe. Yep. Little kid scooter. Not a lot. but we'll take it. That's a cute one too. It's not in bad shape. I mean, it's missing one of these balls on here, but that's all right. That don't bug us, does it? Oh boy, that wind. It's supposed to be really windy till afternoon, and then it dies down. It always does that lately. I don't know if it always has done it, but yeah. We're usually super windy in the winter. Everything's coming from a different direction, so, and it's usually a really cold wind, so. All right, we'll keep looking. We're parked really funky, but we're gonna grab this wood quick. Some of it, not all of it, but some of it. That'll work, I think. What's this? Okay. That's all we want. Didn't even see the guys up on the house putting lights up. Alrighty. Let's keep going this way. Probably crazy for this, but we're gonna look at something that I probably don't need. But we're gonna look anyway because they are sellable. And yes, it's a rug. It looks really clean, doesn't it? Oh, it's a heavy one. It's clean, but I think we'll leave it. It's coming apart a little bit. God, I mean, I could go through and cut all the pieces that are sticking up, but at this point, if I'm going to take a rug, I don't want to have to do that. I'm sure you understand that. Y'all thought I was crazy for looking in the first place. Don't blame ya. All right, let's keep going. Let's go see if this is worth picking up. Yeah, I think so. Stovetop. All right. Let go. I want the box. Let's flip it up over this. Yeah, like that. Don't want it blown away before the trash man grabs it in a little bit here. Well, that's a first for me, I think. I don't think I've ever picked up a stovetop before. Y'all remember? Yeah, I think it was the first. We're getting a little load together, so it's not going to be all for nothing. All right, let's keep going. I better put my flashers on. Getting right on the corner like this. I want to check out these boxes. I have boxes for sending our ornaments, but I want to see if there's any better ones here, because I think mine got wet. No, there isn't. Mr. Trash Man's right down there. You gonna keep coming straight, I hope. I hope. Hopey hope hope. Well, I think the boxes I have will be fine. But I asked Papa last night if it was going to rain. He said no. But I think it did a little bit. So they got a little bit wet. So I hope they're not ruined. They looked fine when I left. But I picked them up and stood them up, and I maybe shouldn't have done that. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna keep looking. Even if the trash man's coming after us, we're gonna still go look. Oh yeah. I think we have something decorative on the ground back here. Let's go look. There is stuff decorative on the ground. Take it. Awesome. I don't see anybody, otherwise I'd thank them. Yeah, if I saw somebody out there, I would thank them for putting that off to the side. I worked on these doors so they're not squeaking as much. But one of the doors, I think it's the front one here, the round piece that it rolls on is all messed up, kinda. So it could explain why it keeps making noise. Oh well. We'll keep doing what we can to keep it from making noise. I think there's decorative right here. You know what? We're gonna pull up in their driveway for a second to grab it. Let's get it. That's pretty cool. Does it turn? Eh, not so good. I'll set it right there. All right. Now to back out of here. Back it up, Ellie Mae. Back it up, Ellie Mae. I think there's a chair over here too. I think. Am I right? Oh, it's one of the big chaise lounges. Well, it'll hold my tailgate, keep it from flapping right. Let's go get it. And we're back to where we started. Because right up there's where I looked at the boxes. I guess I should have waited. Oh well. All right. Come along with me. We're just gonna slide it up there. I'm gonna move this flower because I don't want it to get crushed. This other stuff I don't care about. All right, up we go. Yeah, we're gonna have it hanging out the back. We'll strap it down. After a bit, I think it'll ride fine. Do you hear that puppy? Good girl for watching the truck so good. Good girl. All right, y'all. That way, see if we can find places the trash man hasn't been. Right, shenanigans. That's all for today. We got that. I don't know if y'all got a good look at it all. Wash, brush, floss, flush, soak, lather, rinse, repeat. And then this one says rub-a-dub-dub, and the one underneath says bath. We got those little shelves. And we got this stuff. Not too bad of a haul, all things considered. I mean, I got out earlier than I normally do, but not as early as I wanted to. So from now on, we're gonna have to leave when it's dark. I'll have to make sure my light is charged up just in case. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Look at that good wire. That is some thick stuff. This stuff isn't mincemeat either, but this goes as number 1. This goes as number 2. And then of course there's this. Let's see if that's magnetic. Yeah, so that's just steel. But that's alright. It's still weight in the truck, right? Alright. Hope y'all are having a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Minnie and I, we love you from the bottom of our hearts. Minnie says, pray for world peace. Pray for no stress at Christmas. And Hanukkah just passed. So, anyway, until next time, be blessed, y'all. Bye.